Unleash the RF spectrum, a deep dive into the ultimate hacking HackRF Portapack H4M. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be providing a deep dive into the ultimate hacking with the HackRF Portapack H4M. Ready to explore the hidden world of radio frequencies? Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, security researchers, and hackers. We're diving deep into the ultimate hacking HackRF Portapack H4M, a powerhouse of portable SDR capabilities. Get ready to unlock its potential and bend the airwaves to your will. The ultimate hacking HackRF Portapack H4M isn't just another gadget. It's a fully integrated, portable, software-defined radio SDR platform. Imagine the raw power of the HackRF One fused seamlessly with the versatility of the Portapack, all in a single rugged device. This eliminates the need for clunky laptops or external equipment, empowering you to analyze, manipulate, and explore the RF spectrum on the go. This device is engineered for ultimate portability and packs a serious punch. Forget being tethered to a desk. The H4M is designed for field operations, penetration testing, and RF exploration wherever your curiosity takes you. Its robust construction and battery operation ensure you're always ready to tap into the electromagnetic landscape. The H4M boasts an impressive array of functionalities, making it a true Swiss Army knife for RF enthusiasts. From capturing and replaying signals to detecting vulnerabilities and performing in-depth analysis, this device does it all. Think signal scanning, transmission, GPS spoofing, jamming, key fob hacking, ADS-B AIS decoding, and even Bluetooth exploitation. The possibilities are virtually limitless. The H4M typically comes preloaded with the legendary Mayhem firmware, a game changer for pen testers and security professionals. This powerful firmware unlocks a wealth of advanced features and tools, providing an intuitive interface for complex RF tasks. Get ready to dive straight into real-world applications without the hassle of complex configurations. Navigating the RF spectrum is a breeze thanks to the H4M's intuitive display and controls. The touchscreen interface provides a clear and responsive experience, while the navigation controls, arrow keys, rotary wheel, and select buttons offer precise manipulation. Plus, the headphone-microphone jack allows for seamless audio monitoring and communication. Data management is crucial, and the H4M has you covered. The integrated microSD card slot allows for easy import and export of captured signals, custom applications, and configuration files. Expand your storage and keep your essential tools readily accessible. The H4M is designed for extended operation, offering multiple power options to suit your needs. Run it on the internal battery for true portability, connect it to a USB power source for continuous use, or even power it directly from your computer. The choice is yours. The improved power system features a unified on-off switch that completely disconnects the battery, preventing parasitic drain and maximizing battery life. The advanced battery management system ensures efficient charging and discharge, while the fast USB-C charging gets you back in action quickly. The inclusion of a GPIO port opens up a world of possibilities for customization and expansion. Connect external sensors, add custom modules, or integrate the H4M with other devices to create your own unique RF hacking platform. The H4M represents a significant leap forward in SDR technology, offering several key improvements over previous versions. The truly integrated design eliminates the need for external components, streamlining your workflow and enhancing portability. Usability, power efficiency, and overall build quality have been significantly enhanced in the H4M. The single power on-off switch provides a clean and intuitive user experience, while the advanced battery management IC ensures optimal performance and longevity. The matte finish screen offers excellent visibility even in bright outdoor environments, while the improved touch response ensures accurate and reliable input. Say goodbye to glare and frustrating touch interactions. To unlock the full potential of your H4M, keep these essential tips in mind. Regularly update the firmware to the latest version to access new features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. This ensures you're always running the most optimized and secure software. Use a high-quality SD card, 32 GB or smaller, formatted as FAT32 for reliable data storage and retrieval. Avoid using larger cards or incompatible file systems, as this can lead to performance issues or data corruption. Selecting the right antenna is crucial for optimal signal reception and transmission. Experiment with different antennas to find the best match for your desired frequency range and application. Consider factors like gain, bandwidth, and polarization. Always be aware of and comply with all applicable laws and regulations regarding radio transmission in your jurisdiction. Operating outside legal limits can result in severe penalties. Responsible RF exploration is key. Explore the vast library of preloaded applications and custom apps available for the Portapack. From spectrum analyzers to signal generators, these tools can significantly enhance your RF hacking capabilities. Familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of software-defined radio to effectively utilize the HackRF and Portapack. Understanding concepts like modulation, demodulation, and signal processing will empower you to tackle complex RF challenges. Engage with the vibrant HackRF and Portapack community for support, tips, and inspiration. Share your experiences, ask questions, and learn from other enthusiasts. The community is a valuable resource for troubleshooting issues and discovering new applications. The HackRF Portapack H4M is more than just a device. It's a gateway to a world of RF exploration and discovery. Whether you're a seasoned ham radio operator, a security engineer, or simply curious about the electromagnetic spectrum, the H4M offers a powerful and versatile platform for unlocking your potential. Don't just stand on the sidelines. Dive into the exciting world of SDR with the ultimate hacking HackRF Portapack H4M. Order yours today and start exploring the hidden frequencies around you. Join the online community, share your projects, and help us push the boundaries of RF technology. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials, reviews, and hacking tips. The RF revolution starts now. Are you in?